Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Ezeko Precious, and on today's video lecture I'll be showing you how to create or generate contour lines from digital elevation model using the Global Mapper software. The steps are very simple, and I'm going to walk you through the steps. Now, as you can see from my desktop, these are contour lines produced or generated from this same Global Mapper software. So this is the Global Mapper software. It's a very powerful software. First of all, I need to open my data. You can go to File, you go to Open, or you can simply click here, or you can also click here. This is where I have my data, DEM data, which stands for Digital Elevation Model. So this digital elevation model data is actually covering some parts of Africa. So for demonstration purpose, we'll be making use of this. Create contours. All you need to do is to go through this setup. First of all, I want to create contour interval of 10 meters. My minor contour will be 5, the major one will be 10 meters. There's a generate area feature color based on the current elevation shader in addition to the contours. I will show you this later, but I don't want to click on this now. It's a generate spot elevation at minimum and maximum elevation. I would like to tick that. It's an interpolate to fill small gap in the data. I also like to tick that. Export contour directly to package file. I don't want to export them now, so I'll leave these the way they are. We'll leave this place the way it is, and then say contour bounds. I don't really want to generate the contour lines covering the entire data. I just need this area, which I'm going to do now. So you go to drop a box. You can zoom out, you can zoom in, just to get your area that you are actually interested in. So I just want to create a contour around this particular area. So let me take it up a little bit. So this is my area of interest. Click OK. You can see that it's highlighted on the software already. So you click OK. So this is the contour lines. The contour lines are simply lines that join places of equal height, or lines that join places of equal elevation. So this is how to create your contour lines. You can see that they are simple, and you can as well save these contour lines to vector format that can be further used in other GIS jobs. All you simply need to do is to go to File and Export. So these are different options for export, but I don't want to export to elevation grid format, but I would rather export to the GPS format. And to do that, you right click, you go to Layers, Export, and then you click OK. Export bands. You can also draw the boundaries where you actually want, but I want to export all the files. You click OK. Where do I want to export my information to? Let me put it on the desktop. Let's say contour lines, and then you save. So we can go back and open it using different softwares, but I'm going to use the GPS track maker to open the file. This is beautiful. So these are your contour lines. You can do whatever you want to do with it. So viewers, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video, and please you can like, share, make your comments, and subscribe to more of my videos. Thank you very much, and God bless.